Hello guys, today we are here to discuss about networking command prompts which are normally used in day-to-day life. First, we need to go to the Windows search option and type CMD. The command dialog box will pop up. Okay, so here we need to type ping. The ping command is used to test the reachability of a remote host on a network. Then we type Ipconfig. This prompt is used for displaying configurations of network interfaces on the computer. The next is nslookup. It can help in troubleshooting DNS related problems and is useful for checking DNS configurations. Then we type hostname to find the hostname of the system. The last one is Netstat. This is used for displaying network statistic, routing tables and active network connections. That is all for today guys. Thank you. Have a lovely week ahead.